What's up, YouTube? Today, going through 2024, June 21st. This is going to be a different video than the usual long videos I've been uploading. The original video was 3.5 hours long, and it's just filled with mistake after mistake after mistake. So instead of uploading that, I was pretty detailed in the DRC review video. So I'm just going to upload the DRC review version or review portion. And I even tried speeding up the 3 hour long video and doing a voiceover review, but I think this would be better instead. Um, so hope you enjoy. Have any comments, questions, suggestions? Comment in the comment section. It is time to review the DRC. Today was a C grade day. Well, yesterday, right, the 21st. The 21st was a C grade day. I lost $2,000, and I did take an ideal setup today, so we're at 52, just 8 more away. Now, if we go to review of 9 to 12 session, sizing was the main issue here. I made a mistake in calculating contract size and lost big on my top step account. I made several mistakes on my execution on the Apteros account, but was still able to keep losses low on this account. I did not win a trade today, but scenario 3 played out beautifully. I adjusted my target on the position, then price reversed, so I missed out on the profit. No more trading for me today. I made too many mistakes. A lot of execution mistakes on Apteros. I entered and my stop was at 200,000, so I closed the position and re-entered to adjust the stop. I could have just adjusted the stop instead of exiting and then re-entering. But I'm not as savvy with Sierra chart. I had to check if right click if there's a modify order option, right? Because otherwise I would have to scroll all the way up to 200,000 and then drag it all the way down. But let's go ahead and talk about what I did today. I executed scenario 3 pre-market, which hit SL. Then I executed an off-the-cuff post-market trade, post-market open. This trade should not have been taken. It was an unnecessary loss. It was a buy-in opportunity. It wasn't in my plan. It was just a hammer at CVA low, and that hammer really enticed me to go ahead and take the trade, so I went ahead and took it. However, I then executed scenario 3 again post-market, and price fell to target. However, I adjusted my target further down as I saw price build up momentum. This was based on greed. There was nothing in the market telling me that I needed to adjust my target. I was just purely trying to hit my daily target, which my daily target is 1,500, and the trade only produced about 1,000. All right, so 500 off. Okay. I then added right at CVA high. This is a risky ad, and I mentioned in the recording. On this ad, I miscalculated the contract size and ended up risking 1,000 on the trade. This put me 1,000 over my max daily loss on Top Step. This gave back all the profit I made this week. Ended the week with minus 115 on Top Step, so I'm at about break even for Top Step right now, or for the week on Top Step. I'm still up 3.7k, 3.6k now. I also made a plethora of execution mistakes on Apteros, which is going to be held to journal. I am not able to currently check the Apteros loss on the day since it is the weekend, but from what I calculated, I went 200 over my loss limit. Still profitable for the week on this account though, so we're good on Apteros. Still making progress, but this day could have been way better. Noticing I have to review the sample size, but I'm not making a lot of money in pre-market. I wonder if I'm losing money in pre-market. So may need to just wait for that 9 o'clock, 9:30. Also, let's bring this up. These are the trades. This is the first short of scenario 3. That just went straight to SL after we felt this level. Now, for my Forex strategy, I do incorporate FTA, which first resistance level, if the first support resistance level fails, I go ahead and close the position. So this first level failed. It failed multiple times. That's an opportunity to close the position and get out for a small profit or break even. So there's an opportunity to improve there. We have this buy here, which was an OTC. So OTCs I've lost the most money on. Last year. So I'm not supposed to be taking those. They're supposed to be out of my trading plan. I actually took them out of my trading plan, but I decided to take it anyway. And then this short, I was a little late on the short here. I'll have to go back to the recording to figure out why I was late on the short, but I was late on the short. Price hit target just a few minutes later, literally 6 minutes later, but I adjusted my target. I adjusted my target down to the low of the CVA, and then I added here before price actually closed beneath the level. I need to wait on these ads. I need to wait on on price to close through these levels before adding, which I'm not doing. And it's costing a lot. But I adjusted stop from this level to this level for this first short. Right here, right? No, I adjusted it to here. And then when I got the ad, I adjusted a little bit further down. Now on the ad, I only added one contract. So this ad should not have been taking place because the risk was too high. I was thinking I added 2 or 3 contracts, but I only added 1. So shouldn't have taken this ad, should have taken the position off. A lot of things I should have done but did not do. So next week, planning to just keep my targets in and allow targets to be hit. Scenario 3 was a 2-hour opportunity. It was the easiest 3K I could have made. Had I simply left the target limit where it was, would have secured that profit there. Okay. Highlights: executed a planned scenario. Executed scenario 3 twice. The first time it failed. The second time it was a success. But I just made an error. Execute 2 lowlights executed on OTC. This should not be taken. I lost the most money on these trades last year. Execution error on TS and Apteros. So I made execution errors on both. Top lesson: maybe it would be wise to trade one account at a time to avoid sizing errors and rushing to take both positions. I will immediately implement not adjusting target from outset on my positions. If target is hit, secure the profit. That is the goal for next week. So when I set a target, I'm sticking to that target and securing profit if price hits that target. I'm just trying to take small wins. I'm not trying to catch these huge runners, which I have to get used to because I'm so used to going for large wins and having a low win rate. Win rate has been about 30 to 34% for the past 3 years, but I go for huge winners, which annihilate all the losses that I have and give me even more profit. But since I've been forced to day trade with this Top Step account, it's hard to trade like that. It's difficult to trade like that. But that is the review. We're gonna make this day trading work. Gonna figure it out. Gonna get funded, no matter how many times it takes. But can't take these big losing days like this. Now we can look at the top step, see where we're at on it right now. This is where we're at, up 3.4k, not 3.6, 3.4k, and just took a heavy hit and loss here today. So we can definitely recover. Next week there's going to be opportunities that we can take advantage of, and we just need to be in the right position ourselves correctly in order to take advantage of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you in the next one.